this is Falguni Zaveri from Karma Healing. Today I am here to do a reading for the month of June, that is from June 1st, 2020 to June 30th. So let's begin with the sign Aries. What does the card hold for the sign Aries? That is March 21st to April 19th. We are doing the card reading for the month of June, from June 1st to the June 30th of 2020, doing for the sign Aries. So let's remove 3 cards for Aries. Aries. Okay, where your health is concerned, I do see your health getting better in this month of June. Also, there will be, where your career is concerned, there is a lot of opportunities coming your way during your career. Relationship is growing. Whatever relationship you are in, I see a growth in the relationship, and it will be a blessing in the month of June. So I see things getting better for the people born under the sign of Aries. Now we are going to see sign Taurus. Where your health is concerned, the health is going to get better for Taurus people too. I do see a happiness, a joyful situation coming in June for Taurus people. Where the career is concerned, it will be whatever it is, it won't grow that much also. So whatever the career the progress you are seeing right now, it's going to be a stable progress, no low, no down, no low, no ups in the career. Whereas the relationship is also is going to be normal. Whatever it has been, it's going to be the same way. It's not going to get better or not. It's not going to get worse. It will all depend on your moods, and it will all depend on your thinking and how you feel. You know, that's how the relationship is. It is totally dependent on you, Taurus people, how your relationship will fare in the month of June. We're going to go ahead and do the sign Gemini. For Gemini people, I do see whatever health problems that you are facing right now. I really don't see a little, not even a little improvement in that. I mean to say, whatever good news you're waiting, where your health is concerned, is still a wait to come. So there might be a little bit of health problems on and off for the people born under Gemini. Also, I do see a growth in the career. So I do see your career moving ahead, and you might get new opportunities in June. Where your relationship are concerned, the card is guiding me to be more careful, because you have been very, very careless where your relationship are concerned. You are not paying too much attention to your relationship, you know. So just take care of your relationship, you know, work towards your relationship. The people born under Cancer, we'll go ahead and see the cards. People born under the sign of Cancer, health-wise, I'm sorry, but I do see something coming your way. Maybe you health related, you might not be feeling good, or something related to a headache or a pressure, or you know, there is some health issues that I see coming for the people born under Cancer in June. Also, where your career is concerned, I see a progress. I see some good news coming where your career is concerned. So that's a good news. But where your relationship are concerned, people born under Cancer needs to be careful, because they will not get what they are expecting in June. The relationship issues, or you know, I see a depression coming where the expectations that you have from the another person is not met. So there is chances of you know, relationship issues coming your way in June, and your wishes not being fulfilled where relationships are concerned. Now let's see for the people born under the sign of Leo. Okay, where your health is concerned for the people born under Leo is I do see um, a, a good start, a good news coming your way where your health is concerned. If you're waiting for your report, or if you are had some health issues in last month or something, you will come out of it and you will have some good health in the month of June. So whatever you were facing in few months before, it's now going to get better in this month. Where your career is concerned, I do not see whatever you were waiting for to come your way in this month. Whatever you have been expecting to come is still you will not see the result coming in June. And where your relationship are concerned, it's a little bad card for Leo people, because I see a little bit fall in your relationship. So there are issues that might come in relationship, misunderstanding, or loss of a relationship, or something that will come in June. So people are born under Leo should be little careful where your relationships are concerned. Now we'll go ahead and do Virgo. Where the Virgo people are concerned, where the health is concerned, I do see good health coming. It's going to be the same, whatever it has been. But I do see an improvement. So you are moving ahead with your health is concerned. So you're not stuck in one place, or you're not facing the same issues where your health is concerned. In June, it's going to get better. Where your career is concerned, I do see new opportunities coming your way. And moving further where your career is concerned, some good news also where career is concerned. Where your relationship are concerned, I do see a very good card also. So people who are in relationship is blessed this month in June. For the Virgo people, I do see good relationship coming your way, or whatever. If you are in a relationship, I see it getting much more better. Now we'll go ahead and see the Libra. For the Librans, where the health is concerned, I don't see any issues coming. In fact, the health is getting better, and I don't see any health issues. Where career is concerned, they will have some new opportunities, or whatever they are right now, the career opportunities is going to come, but whatever they have is also going to remain. So there is no worry of losing something where your career is concerned. So there's always a gain in this month for the people born under Libra. Where your relationship is concerned, yes, you have to be careful with the relationship, where you need to be taking care of more emotional issues. Where relationships are concerned, you need to be more careful where relationships are concerned. It is something, it's a good card. So your relationship is going to get better, but you have to be little careful where your relationship is concerned, and consider the other people's feeling too. Scorpio. Now we'll go ahead and do Scorpio. Scorpio people also, where the health is concerned, they are quite okay. I don't see anything new happening to them. Whatever they are facing where health is concerned, it's going to be stable, nothing to worry about. It's not going to get worse. So it's going to remain stable. You'll get good opportunities where career is concerned. I see it coming, and you rising in your career work, or maybe you will get opportunities, or wherever you are right now, I see you're growing in that field. And where your relationship is concerned, for the people in Scorpio, I think your relationship is growing. So whatever phase or you have been facing in this last 2 months, where your relations, I see it getting better. And people who are not in a relationship, I see some good relationship coming your way. So the relationship is growing, so that's a good thing. Go ahead and do the Sagittarius. Where the Sagittarius people are concerned, where the health is concerned, the health is quite good. I don't see any problems coming there. In fact, they are very strong-minded and very strong people. So whatever health issues they might be facing or have been facing from 2 months, they will overcome them in this month. So it's pretty good. Where your career is concerned, people in Sagittarius have to be very careful, because I do see a total change coming your way. So there will be a total shift of career. You'll be ending one thing and starting a new thing. So maybe there are chances that whatever or wherever you were working, there will be an end to it, and there will be a total new work for you coming your way. Where relationship is concerned, again Sagittarius people, I do see your relationship going in full speed. It's wonderful and it's moving ahead, so I don't see any problems coming where your relationship is concerned in June. In fact, it's moving ahead very smoothly. Capricorns. Capricorn people, health is going to be fine. Whatever it is, it's going to remain the same. You are going to be very positive this month in June, and you're going to be fantastic where your health is concerned. I don't see anything coming your way where your health is concerned. Career is superb for June. You are going to get new opportunities. If you have been facing any issues past 2 months, this is the month when it's going to be fantastic for you, where your career opportunity, you might get new opportunities. You might start a new work or a new business this month. Where your relationship is concerned, you are blessed this month. So the relationship is going to be super for Capricorn. You are going to be moving ahead in your relationship. You are going to find good relationship. If you are in a relationship already, you have been blessed, and it's going to be a wonderful month for the people who are in relationship, or who are actually finding someone for the relationship. Aquarius. For the people in Aquarius, the health card is fine. I don't see any health issues coming their way. Just they have to be little emotionally well, kind of a thing. They think too much, and where emotions are concerned mostly, they have to be careful. I don't think any major health issues, but they think too much. So the thinking might be a problem where the health is concerned. Where their career is concerned, I do see a stability. In June, I don't see a progress, or I don't see a fall. In June, whatever it is, it's going to be stable for the people born under Aquarius. Where the relationship are concerned, there are situations where in June you will feel very tied down or very suffocated in your relationship. There is the mood swings that will come. In June, you will feel suffocated, you will feel tied down, you want to go out and maybe meet new people or have a new relationship. So there is going to be a lot of mood swings and confusion where your relationships are concerned coming in your way in the month of June. Let's go ahead and see Pisces. People born under Pisces are where the health is concerned, I see a little bit of issue coming your way where your health is concerned in June. I again see that there is a lot of stress related issues where your health is concerned, maybe pressure, headaches, migraines coming your way in June. So you just have to be careful with that. Where your career is concerned, there I see a lot of balancing that has to be needed. So there are chances that there will be this thing going on in you. Okay, should I leave this job or should I do something new? So there is a lot of confusion where career is concerned. there will be there will be a time where you have to make a decision on a major issues. So be careful where career is concerned. And also where relationship are concerned, I see good cards. So you'll be celebrating, you will meet your friends, you will meet the people you want to meet and have not been seeing them for a few months now. So this is the month where you're going to enjoy your relationship. So that's it for now. This was the reading for June 1st to June 30th. This is again Falguni Zaveri from Karma Healing. Do like, subscribe our channel. We are on Facebook as well as on Instagram. So stay blessed and thank you so much.